Celebrate Easter with oven-baked Korean bulgogi and spring veggies. It serves 4 people and the whole recipe takes about 45 minutes. Let's make a beautiful caramelized centerpiece for your holiday table. Let's quickly go over the ingredients. 1.5 pounds of thinly sliced beef ribeye, or sirloin for quick, even baking. 1/3 cup of soy sauce for savory depth. 1 small Asian pear, grated, about half a cup, to tenderize and sweeten. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar for balanced sweetness. 2 tablespoons of mirin for gentle acidity and gloss. 1 tablespoon of gochujang for a gentle heat and color. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil for nutty aroma. 4 cloves of minced garlic for punchy flavor. 1 tablespoon of grated fresh ginger for brightness. Half a teaspoon of ground black pepper for gentle heat. 1 large yellow onion, thinly sliced, for sweetness. 2 small carrots, thinly sliced, for color and crunch. 6 ounces of sliced shiitake mushrooms for umami. 4 scallions, cut into 2-inch pieces, for freshness. 8 ounces of asparagus, trimmed and halved, for a spring touch. 1 tablespoon of neutral oil to grease the pan. 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds for a nutty finish. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 232 Celsius. Brush 1 tablespoon of neutral oil on a rimmed baking sheet and set it aside. In a large bowl, whisk the marinade, 1/3 cup soy sauce, 1 small grated Asian pear, about half a cup, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 2 tablespoons mirin, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon gochujang, 4 minced garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon grated ginger, and half a teaspoon black pepper. Add 1.5 pounds of thinly sliced beef and toss until every slice is coated. Let it marinate for 20 minutes while you prep the vegetables. Slice the vegetables: 1 large onion thinly, 2 small carrots thinly, 6 ounces of shiitake, 4 scallions into 2-inch pieces, and 8 ounces of asparagus trimmed and halved. Stir in 1 large sliced onion, 2 small sliced carrots, and 6 ounces of sliced shiitake, coating all the vegetables in the sauce with the beef. Spread the beef and vegetables in a single, even layer on the oiled baking sheet, keeping overlap to a minimum for better caramelization. Bake on the center rack at 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 232 Celsius for 8 minutes. Pull out the pan, add 8 ounces of asparagus and 4 scallions, toss gently right on the tray, and spread everything back into an even layer. Return the tray to the oven and bake 5 to 7 minutes more until the beef edges caramelize and the asparagus turns just tender. Let the tray rest for 3 minutes out of the oven so the juices settle. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds over the beef and veggies, then toss lightly to coat. Transfer everything to a platter and arrange the vegetables around the beef for a bright Easter-style presentation. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you loved this Easter bulgogi, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a recipe.